Hailey Lambert, and welcome back to another episode of Taste Buds. Today we'll be trying a new dish from Kentucky Kitchen, and it's the banana pudding, or as I like to call it, Nana Puddin'. I'm so So first we'll be looking at the presentation of the banana pudding. So as you can tell, we've ate some of it. So it did look a lot better before we ate some. But I think it still looks really good. I really like the vanilla wafers that they crumbled up on top. And I like how they did have vanilla wafers on the side and underneath, and I think that's a nice touch. And they did say that the icing is homemade, so that'll be fun, and it should taste really good. Now for the smell. It smells like really hard bananas, and you can kind of smell some of the vanilla wafers in there, but mostly it just smells really strong of banana. Now moving on to taste. It's really good. It tastes like my mama makes some banana pudding, and she does it like every Christmas. And it tastes a lot like that, but I think this one's kind of better. I really like the homemade icing. I think it's really good. And the pudding part is really good. And I just really like it. It's a pretty good dish. Now for texture. The texture of it is basically just pudding. It doesn't, you all know what bananas texture is. Personally, I'm not a big fan, but I think the wafers are really crunchy, and they kind of counteract the bananas, and the pudding and the icing, it all just goes together really well. So I think it all goes well together. For the final review, I would give this dish a 5 out of 5. I think it is really good, and I really just like it. I like how it's homemade and everything, and it's probably really easy to make. You should go over to Kentucky Kitchen and watch and see how they made it and everything. And come back next week to watch Madison Wolf try Kentucky Kitchen's hoe cakes. I forgot what else I'm supposed to say.